Dashcam footage captures a coordinated multi-vehicle interception of a commercial transport truck on a Mexican roadway. The target vehicle is operating under routine conditions when two suspect vehicles execute a synchronized maneuver to block the forward path of travel, forcing the heavy transport to a complete stop. Multiple armed operatives rapidly deploy from the intercepting vehicles and advance directly on the truck's cabin. Recognizing the immediate kinetic disadvantage, the commercial driver and his assistant exhibit immediate compliance, raising their hands to signal surrender and prioritizing survival over asset protection. The operatives issue verbal commands, forcing the assistant to disembark and clearing the physical space. A designated cartel operative then breaches the driver's side, takes control of the steering column, and rapidly exfiltrates the area with the hijacked transport. The original crew is left stranded on the roadside, completing a rapid, zero-casualty asset seizure. On August 18, 2020, dashcam footage documented a severe civilian vehicle transit through an active, uncontained megafire in Napa County, California. The recording captures a driver navigating Highway 128 near Steel Canyon Road during the rapid expansion of the Hennessy Fire, part of the larger LNU lightning complex. The footage displays catastrophic environmental conditions, with the vehicle advancing directly through towering walls of flames that aggressively flanked both sides of the two-lane roadway. The dashcam records dense, low-visibility smoke and immediate thermal threats, including active ground fires and structurally compromised trees burning adjacent to the traffic path. Recognizing that stopping or sheltering in place within an active burn zone carried a lethal trajectory, the driver maintained forward momentum. The vehicle successfully pushed through the compromised infrastructure and successfully breached the outer perimeter of the fire. While this specific driver completed the evasion sequence uninjured, the broader fire complex proved highly lethal, ultimately claiming 6 lives across the region. This dashcam footage captures an anomalous encounter on an unlit, isolated roadway late at night. The recording vehicle, occupied by several individuals, is traveling at speed when the headlights illuminate a pedestrian standing directly in the center of the traffic lane. Upon closer approach, the visual evidence reveals the individual is wearing a full clown costume and holding a long-handled object resembling a broom or mop.
Okay, what the fuck? No, this is not fucking happening.
Dude, what the fuck?
What the fuck? This is not fucking real.
Just stop! Stop! What are you doing? Go the other way! What are you doing? Stop! Oh my god!
The driver initially accelerates away from the scene to establish a safe distance. However, minutes later, the occupants make the inexplicable decision to reverse their route and return to the location. Upon their second approach, the pedestrian immediately escalates the encounter. As the vehicle nears, the individual aggressively lunges toward the car, attempting to make physical contact.
Blake is a fucking savage, though.
Oh, no!
I was so scared when you got out of the car. Oh my god!
Oh my god! Right there.
Oh shit! He's running after us! Hit it! Hit that bitch! Hit that!
Recognizing the immediate threat, the driver executes a rapid, evasive maneuver, accelerating heavily to depart the area and permanently escape the confrontation. On March 30th, 2014, a dashcam recorded a sudden single-vehicle collision caused by a severe pedestrian hazard on an unlit roadway on the outskirts of Warsaw, Poland. The footage shows a vehicle navigating a pitch-black, 2-lane road at night. An oncoming vehicle briefly flashes its high beams, attempting to signal an impending obstruction ahead. Seconds later, the dashcam illuminates an unidentified pedestrian standing perfectly still in the direct center of the active traffic lane. The driver immediately escalates the encounter. As the vehicle nears, the individual is wearing a full clown costume and holding a long-handled object resembling a broom or mop. Upon closer approach, the visual evidence reveals the individual is wearing a full clown costume and holding a long-handled object resembling a broom or mop.
Okay, what the fuck?
The driver executes a rapid, hard-angle evasive swerve. While the maneuver successfully avoids a direct strike on the pedestrian, the aggressive steering input at speed causes a total loss of vehicular control. The car violently departs the paved surface and crashes into a roadside ditch. Despite the severity of the wreck, the occupants sustained only minor physical trauma. Rather than rendering aid or remaining at the scene, the pedestrian immediately fled into the darkness before law enforcement arrived. This dashcam video documents a swift water immersion incident in Bundaberg, Australia, following a period of severe localized precipitation. The footage shows a driver navigating down a paved incline while actively engaged in a phone conversation. As the vehicle travels down the slope, a completely flooded section of the roadway suddenly becomes visible ahead. The driver is unable to brake in time, and the vehicle travels directly into the moving floodwaters. Buoyancy causes the car to immediately lose traction, and it is quickly pulled off the established road alignment by the strong current. The vehicle begins to drift downstream, but is subsequently halted when it becomes physically wedged against a large tree trunk. This obstruction stops the lateral movement and prevents the car from fully submerging in the fast-moving water. As water begins to breach the interior cabin, the driver manages to evacuate through a side window and positions himself on the exterior roof of the vehicle. Emergency services were notified, and the driver remained stranded on top of the car for approximately 1 hour before an aerial rescue team arrived to successfully complete the extraction. This dashcam video captured the moments an attempted armed carjacking unfolded on a highway in Santiago, Chile. The footage shows a driver traveling down an empty road late at night. As the vehicle moves forward, a second car sharply cuts across the lanes and stops horizontally, completely blocking the roadway. The dashcam records 2 men immediately exiting the suspect vehicle, advancing toward the driver's side and the front bumper. The vehicle accelerates heavily forward, driving directly into the attackers and their blocking car. The collision severely damages the suspect vehicle, sending debris into the air and visibly striking one of the men. The driver maintains momentum, maneuvering the car through a tight gap between the wrecked vehicle and the highway crash barrier to escape the ambush. Local police later confirmed the driver safely escaped the encounter without physical injury. Police dashcam footage captured an armed standoff between law enforcement and an aggressive suspect in a residential neighborhood. Officers were dispatched following emergency reports of an individual actively threatening a family with an edged weapon. Upon arrival, the patrol unit was immediately confronted by a shirtless adult male behaving erratically and brandishing a knife in the roadway. The confrontation unfolded at approximately 2:30 p.m., directly coinciding with a local school's dismissal period just a quarter mile from the scene. Officers established a perimeter, drew their service weapons, and issued repeated verbal commands directing the suspect to disarm.
Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Drop it now!
Alright, hey, listen.
I got taser.
Alright, listen. Get down on your knees.
Get on your knees! Get on your knees! Get on your knees!
Get on your knees.
He's dead when it's
Get on your belly. Hey.
After a tense escalation period, the individual abruptly discarded the knife onto the pavement and raised his hands. Officers rapidly closed the distance, forcing him to the ground to apply restraints. Authorities later identified the suspect as 34-year-old Christopher Lizio, determining his hostile behavior was fueled by severe intoxication.